Missing the AutoCAD Layers module DLL. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows System Specialist, and I'll help you fix this system error right now. This DLL file is the Windows Compatibility Layer library. It provides the shims and translation logic needed to run older software on modern versions of Windows by mimicking the behavior of previous operating system versions. Enough of the technical side, let's get these files back onto your system. The AutoCAD Layers module DLL belongs to the Windows System core. Running SFC, scan now from an elevated command prompt will scan for corruption and replace missing or damaged versions automatically. If a standard reinstallation doesn't restore the library, we need to verify if the system environment is properly recognizing the new components. A system reboot is a reliable way to clear away zombie processes that might be interfering with the AutoCAD Layers module. It's a low-impact step that ensures your operating system is starting with a synchronized environment. Before you restart, please bookmark this video or click the like button so that it's waiting for you in your library for the next step. Before you proceed, let's touch on the essential safety standards for handling shared library files. If you're attempting to register the AutoCAD Layers module DLL yourself, be aware that manual file placement frequently leads to severe software layer conflicts and long-term data corruption. To reduce technical overhead while maintaining high security, here is a professional method for managing system-level file health. For users seeking a more stable Windows experience, the link below references a cleanup utility related to the AutoCAD Layers module and system libraries. I'm Sophie Chen. If we've successfully stabilized your environment and resolved the Windows OS core error, please subscribe and join our community of technical professionals.